Well, it was a messy day at the office for some firefighters in Carmel. Workers at a construction site on the west side got into a sticky situation. So here's what happened. One of them began sinking into a puddle of mud, and it was a little bit like quicksand in a movie. So every time he moved, he sank more. So a co-worker tried to help, wound up in the same situation. Thankfully, firefighters used ladders to reach the men and got them out. So there you go.
We've had the snow melt, and we ended up with about an inch and a half of rain the last few days.
I know. And are we expecting more rain this weekend?
We'll get a slight rain chance Saturday afternoon, Saturday night into early Sunday, and may mix with a few flakes of snow.
Okay, and more fog.
And more fog. And you know what else is going on tonight? Lauren Kostick at the fuel game.
It is going to be so exciting. We are rooting for her, aren't we?
Yes. Did you give her any tips?
We talked about form.
Stance?
And stance. We talked about don't leave it short.
Okay.
She's from Michigan. She's a Red Wings fan. I think she's going to really do great tonight.
And if she gets it in there, it's $10,000 to Indy Humane.
That's right. You stand at center ice, slap shot. If you get it in a tiny little hole, $10,000 for charity. It's awesome.
If you are headed out there, be sure to cheer her on tonight. It's also Do 317 night for $1 popcorn, which is kind of fun as well. Anything that you might have planned, we're going to have to work around fog, even if you're coming downtown for the Pacers game. We host the Suns at Gainbridge Fieldhouse. Temperatures will be in the low 40s with some patchy dense fog. That is the weather concern tonight. The dense fog advisory for the northern half of the state with visibility at times near zero. Indianapolis South not technically in the advisory, but we do already have some patchy dense fog forming. We're down to 2 miles in Indianapolis, 3 in Muncie, everywhere else in pretty good shape, but should start to see these visibilities lower. And under some of the low clouds, we've got a few pockets of drizzle, picking up on that with live Doppler 13 radar. Nothing very heavy, but low clouds, fog, and drizzle might be just enough to slow you down this evening. Kind of an eerie view from our camera over downtown. We have 41 degrees. Yes, reporting a little bit of drizzle. Winds are out of the west at 8 miles per hour. High temperature today, 48. Our morning low, 40. Not much of a change because of all the cloud cover, and still well above the averages of 36 and 20. No rain officially today, but we are an inch and a half above average for the year so far. Thanks to some heavy rain this week, temperatures over the next couple of days will be right where we should be, in the upper 30s and low 40s, so a little cooler than the 50s we had a couple of days ago. 37 with fog as we start tomorrow, 42 at noon. Afternoon and evening showers, we'll time that out with Future Track 13. This weather system coming in from the south. The majority of the steady rain will stay south of the Ohio River. Local timeline with Future Track 13. We started at 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, stop it at 7 p.m. There will be some light rain if you've got some evening plans on Saturday. That will continue through 11 o'clock, even into the early part of Sunday morning. This is Sunday at 6 a.m. The rain may mix with a few flakes of snow, especially for the eastern part of the state. Right now, we're not expecting any accumulations, but the clouds stick around, along with a few sprinkles and a few flurries on Sunday. High temperatures again near 40, upper 30s, low 40s. Saturday, Sunday, even into the early part of next week. It'll be Tuesday that we get another chance for a few mixed showers, and that will be ahead of finally some sunshine. We actually could say it today. 43 on Wednesday, a brighter day on Thursday, 48. Little sunshine this time next week. Next Friday's high, 46.